This is where millions of energy drinks are produced every single day. Purified water is the foundation of every energy drink. Purified water is stored in sterile tanks. Sugar provides instant energy and taste. Taurine and B vitamins support endurance. Caffeine is the main energy source. Sugar dissolves in hot purified water. Exact measurements are critical. Caffeine is added with extreme accuracy. Vitamins enhance performance and metabolism. Flavor formulas are closely guarded secrets. Color defines brand identity. Acidity balances taste and shelf life. Cans are made lightweight and strong. Thousands of cans filled per minute. Foam is carefully controlled. Tiny bubbles transform the drink. The energy drink is now complete. Popular worldwide, day and night. A symbol of power and speed. Consumed across the globe. From water to energy in a can. Like, subscribe, and explore more factory secrets.